Hello everyone! Today we're going to be going over Tandem Production in our ZCC4 software and the benefits that it can provide to any type of industry. With me today is Nate. He is one of our training specialists and he's going to bring us through all of the highlights and how to set up Tandem Production. So, can you explain to me what Tandem is and why it's important?
Tandem operation means that you have two workable spaces on your machine, one in the front and one in the back. The vacuum zones are closed off on the opposite side of where you're cutting. So when you're ready to cut, you can press a button off to the side and production will begin. While that's happening, you can load up the back side of the machine, and once you're ready, you can press a button and instantly it'll start cutting after it's done with the front. Once it's cutting in the back, then the front side will turn off the vacuum and allow you to pick your parts and replace and continue with production.
So today we've been using a G3 3XL system. Can you explain why this is the best system for Tandem?
Well, it's the best system because you can fit two 4x8s on it sideways, which allows you to have the most amount of time cutting. The tool is inside of the material.
So ZCC4 is pretty new. Could you take us through how easy it is to set up a job in ZCC4?
Yeah, I mean, that's the entire point of ZCC4 is to be able to walk you through actually running these files. It imports files to be ready to go. We have barcode production and QR code production still, and the whole point is to be able to easily walk you through and run these files from start to finish.
How do we support our customers well and make sure that they're fully ready to run these machines?
Honestly, I think our support is unmatched. From training with virtual to in-person to even on-site and consulting down the road too.
Well, Nate, thank you for going over Tandem Production with us and a few other tips and tricks that can really help make our cutters the most efficient they can be.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching.